Welcome home! Start off the new year in this stunning southern exposure 4-bedroom, 3 full bath, 2-car garage pool and spa home in Northwest Cape. Home features almost 2,200 square feet of living space, formal living room, formal dining room, wood flooring, large porcelain tile, crown molding throughout and a spacious kitchen with large family room with surround sound. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and upgraded granite countertops and wood cabinets with 42 Uppers.Private Entrance to the master suite with French doors leading to the large screen Lanai and swimming pool with spa. The master bath boasts a jetted tub, walk-in shower, dual vanities, makeup vanity and large walk-in closet. There are 3 nice-sized guest bedrooms with 2 full baths for your large family or guest. Newer air conditioner system, vinyl fencing, kids playground, tile roof, mature landscaping plus a newer whole home reverse osmosis system rounds off this move-in ready home. Quick close is possible.